Yo, what is going on? Today is Friday, November 21st, 6:33 p.m. And I did take a trade today and it was a really good trade, but it lost. Yeah. So let's talk about today. I'm feeling very I'm going to get into a little bit more of my feelings, but this is going to be maybe a little bit quicker cuz I do have to step out soon with the fam, and I was just out with the fam. So that's why I'm in the fucking jacket and everything. But yeah, let's talk about today. So coming into the day, we didn't really have many sell side targets. As you can see, overnight we really dumped. Like right before overnight session, yesterday's like lunch hour kind of deal dumped, and then overnight just accumulated. So what do we go down to see? I was thinking we were gonna be bullish actually, believe it or not. Why? Because I thought we were gonna come down SMT with one of these targets, preferably this one that I wanted to SMT with, and then continue higher to these PM highs, previous day high, as the end goal. But that unfortunately did not happen. There was a 1 minute within here. My chart is being very annoying right now, so please wait with me. Um, where was it? I believe it might have been this 1 minute. No. It was this 1 minute. I believe it was like SMT'd. I'm trying to think of what it was. I think they were like, it was something with this 1 minute. I don't know what it was, but I didn't take it. I think I said like if this 1 minute gap held, I would have hopped in. I'm trying to think what it exactly was, but for some reason I cannot seem to remember at this moment. A lot of accumulation, no SMT. I don't know what it was about this 1 minute, but I did not take it. Not really sure. I don't know why. Listen, I'm not in it no more, bro. Like up here, I'm going through it, dude. I'm really trying, dude, and it's hard. I'm gonna get into it a little bit more. And then we went down, we watched this inverse fail, then we come back up. This inverse actually low key played out. This would have been a 2 minute. The reason why I did not. Oh my gosh, bro, can it just stay in the one fucking spot? But right, the reason I didn't take this 2 minute was because it would have just been to like these internal highs, pretty much, because it would have passed my account. But I would have taken it had we not already tagged into this 15-minute gap right here, which is what this 2 minute was rejecting out of. It's not like we SMT'd with it. It's not like we did anything with it. It was just a 2 minute. We had taken the internal high, so I guess this kind of counts as the gap sort of thing. But I personally do not like that for my trades. So this 2 minute was the play of the fucking AM basically. Like that 2 minute was it. And I personally didn't like it because we had already mitigated that gap. So I'm not hopping into that. Now let's get into the trade, which I did take. So we had two sets of news today. Today we had 9:45 news and we had 10 a.m. news. So we had already taken that 9:45 news high right here, which is why this 2 minute was decent. I actually think I was gonna take something. I believe it was like a 1 minute. That's what it was. That's what that 1 minute was. I was gonna take a 1 minute right here. This 1 minute to with the break even at the 9:45 data high, but we had taken the data high on this candle, so I didn't want to hop in. And then we had more news, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna just be patient, target that news high, that data high, and I still was bullish overall on the day at this current standpoint. And I couldn't believe my fucking eyes at what happened. I drew out this SMT already, and it didn't fucking save. I just drew it out right now before I started hitting record. Right? So we get an internal SMT with beautiful displacement. I didn't think NQ was going to hold this SMT. I was fucking shocked when I seen this SMT hold, and we displaced and closed within one candle. And it was a 2 minute IFVG with data high right here. Data highs. I mean, I limit ordered. So data high is 55 points away. These candles were huge. So don't think like, oh, you're trying to catch 55 points. No, these fucking candles are fucking huge, dude. Look at this candle. 59 points. But right. So we immediately sprint down, and then we sprint up, and then we shit the bed back down. So this wick almost got me break even. I was even waiting on an SMT to go break even, but we did not. I was trying to stay true to my rules, and I didn't. We were like, yeah, we were 4 points away. I was waiting to go break even, but we did not go break even. And then we accumulated a little bit right here, which I ended up ultimately getting out at around CE of this wick. So like right here. So I lost about $260 because I was risking $350. Yep, to get this account passed. Now let me get a little bit deeper into this trade. All right. Why, like, you see, like, why doesn't it save this SMT? It has beef with that fucking SMT, dude. Like, I'm just trying to do it so I can see the fucking, oh my gosh, so I can see the damn trade. Oh my goodness. This chart, like, this shit really wants to piss me off right now. I'm not in the mood for this. But as you can see, we had a really nice internal SMT. Well, it's more like external SMT. This is a beautiful SMT. This is exactly what I back tested. This is pretty mechanical. This not mechanical, but like this is just great, bro. I don't even know. Like, this is just great. This isn't continuation, so I guess we'll consider it mechanical. But this is lovely. This is a beautiful SMT, and I did not think whatsoever this would hold. Seeing it held and it inversed within one candle, which is the perfect displacement, all that you could ask for. We had an excellent close too, and then we even got the limit fill. And we had the data highs right here, an internal high that we could have targeted, which would have passed the account. So it would have been this. I had my stops right here, like a little bit under CE of the wick. And I would have been targeting, I think, like right just above this internal high to get the account pass. So it was like 1.7 was all that I needed. Almost got to break even, shit the bed down. To me, this is a good trade. This is an A-rated setup. To me, this is a beautiful setup. I just, it's getting really, really demoralizing to sit here and not take trades forever, wait all week to get a good setup such as this, and watch the good setup lose. And it's not even like I have the plus of watching bad setups play out, because I do not take those shitty ass setups. So it's demoralizing sitting here, doing what I was taught, doing what I've learned over and over again, and watching fail after fail after fail. But it is what it is at the moment, and I know it'll play out. So, yeah. Today was the first day that it was like, damn, bro. Like, today was the first day where I was just like, fuck, bro. Like, I genuinely was just like, what the fuck, bro? Like, yeah. This shit really hit me today. I'm doing all that I can, and it's just not giving a result. It's not like I'm here blowing accounts. I'm not like I'm over leveraging. It's not like I'm taking 100 fucking trades a day. I'm waiting on one. I'm taking a good one, and it's not playing out. Yeah, I have my flaws. Yeah, I get scared at times, and they sometimes play out. But shit like this is what's really demoralizing. But I can't let those negative thoughts succumb and overeat me, and ultimately cause me to want to quit. I mean, I think if I've made 87 journals, however many journals I made, I'm probably in the 80s by now. More of them are me failing than succeeding. Oh, why is my fucking iPad like falling? Yeah, more of them are me failing than succeeding, and that fucking sucks. But that'll change. I just need to continue doing what I'm doing, and it'll change. As far as the week goes, I had started the week with 2 accounts, inches away from passing. Through a mistake and a good trade losing, I am now 1 account only close to passing. Not close, but not really past. About to lose both of them. I'm gonna think about what's next to come this weekend. I don't know if I should buy TradingView Premium. It's a lot of money. It'd be about $1,000. To buy TradingView Premium, Replicanto, and 2 funded accounts, 2 Alpha Zero accounts. TradingView is about $200 for the year. Replicanto is $140. No, it wouldn't be $1,000. I'm tripping. It'd be like 7 something because of the activation fee, because I will pass this account next week. But yeah, it's just really fucking demoralizing to sit here and watch the same shit of me trying over and over not play out. I believe in you though, Nick. So yeah. Not the best week. What did I take? I took 2 or 3 trades this week. I think I took like 1 break even. I think I took it on the other account. Oh, it's already wiped. Nice. Oh no, this isn't even that account. This is some old ass CPI account. I think I took like 3 accounts. I think this was a break even. This was that fucking annoying ass L, and then this L today. It's really fucking demoralizing, bro. But it'll all play out. So yeah. On that note, have a great weekend. Monday you'll hear back on what I decided to do. So yeah. Stay blessed. You can do it. All of you.